Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. Welcome back to Cast Iron Wednesday. Hope everyone's week is going well so far. Halfway through. So I was just going to throw a frozen pizza in tonight, call it good to go, but I thought maybe I could turn this to my advantage. So I picked up these chicken sausages from Costco the other day. And I thought, well, maybe I could do something with this. Maybe I'll just do a simple one skillet meal, which I'm gonna bake. I got some veggies, some potatoes, some carrots, and Brussels sprouts. I'm just gonna kind of just bake the whole thing up, and yeah, it should be good. And it fits my. I don't really feel like putting a lot of effort into dinner tonight, so we'll see. Let's get going. All right, I'll go with a little bit of olive oil. Throw the potatoes in. Throw in the carrots. And then throw in the Brussels sprouts. Go ahead and season the whole lot. A little sloppy mama. Little paprika. There's some granulated garlic. A little bit of salt. And I'm gonna throw some butter on the potatoes and on the carrots. I'm gonna pop that in the oven for about 20. I might do 25 minutes. Alrighty, timer went off. Have a gander at this. Oh, steaming up the camera. Oh, it's looking real good. Come on, tripod. Come here. Need a little checked. Okay, potatoes aren't quite through yet. Carrots are looking good. Everything is still kind of crunchy and hard, which I kind of planned on. Give the potatoes a little bit of a stir. And then, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get these sausages out. What I want to do is I want to throw them right in on top of the potatoes and bake them another 20 minutes. That should heat up, finish cooking everything, and then heat up the sausages too. So funny, forgot to set the timer. Oops. Thankfully, I had it in mind. And that is what she's looking like. Gotta say, she's looking quite good. Smells quite good. You got 3 kinds of vegetable: potato, carrot, Brussels sprouts. Let's see if the sausage is hot. And they are. Hot clear through. Our potatoes poke clean. Sprouts do too. Sweet. Let's dish it up. So, let's see. I'm gonna start with 2. Who is banging around upstairs? Dang. So rude. I can't get someone living below, you know. Maybe I don't want to listen to your stomping. Alright, carrots. Brussels sprouts. Potatoes. I can almost get everything on there in one go. I'll leave a few potatoes behind. And of course, I have to salt everything, or pepper everything. Well, that's how she looks. Alright, I was just thinking too while I was sitting down. You know, I could have just bought a frozen pizza, but I think, you know, this is probably a little bit healthier than, you know, a frozen pizza. Try the potatoes. Probably could have gone a little longer, but not terrible. Because I've done the carrots before, but well, I have just a little bit of crunch still, which is the way I like it. Brussels sprout. So far, hitting every cylinder. I haven't tried these sausages yet. So. Wow. You know, I walked right past the condiment aisle. I was going to stop and get some stone ground mustard. Totally forgot. Well, I gotta say, for just something in one skillet, easy to do, just literally threw it together. It's good, real good. I'm digging it. Anyway, I do want to thank you for watching, and don't forget to check Cast Iron Wednesday playlist, which is always on the end and in the description. So, I would throw appreciation and thank you to Shovelhead8 for always, you know, keeping the playlist going. Appreciate that, brother. Yeah, not every meal has to be complicated. Not every meal has to be a frozen pizza. So, yeah, I do like pizza, but it might be a little bit more healthy. Plus, you know, get a little fresh vegetables in you now and then, not bad. And if you're making them the way you like, you know, baked, a little seasoning, with this, you know, boiling to death or something. All right. No round one. Thanks for watching again, and we'll catch you in the next one.